Hey guys, Jose here from Yugatech, and the holidays are right around the corner. So, buying a smartphone as a gift for yourself or a loved one could be on your mind. While brand new is usually the way to go, you can also consider second-hand models. If you're leaning towards the second-hand market to save a bit, then here are a few tips to help you not get scammed. Well, we suggest giving Facebook Marketplace a try. It's often busier than apps like Carousel and can be a smoother platform for making deals. However, always double-check the authenticity of the photo. It helps differentiate between genuine sellers and others just taking a screenshot from ads or listings. A good practice when checking out a seller is to look at their account's age. Typically, older accounts can indicate a more trustworthy seller, but you have to step back and pause if it's a brand new account, because sometimes they're just not as reliable. Here's a rule of thumb. If it seems too good to be true, trust your gut instinct. It usually is. Some sellers ask for extremely low prices and then later ask for advance payments, which is definitely a big red flag. And no, red flags are not a good sign. Before settling, gather as much information as you can about the phone. Knowing its history, previous owners, and the availability of accessories can help make a more informed choice. When meeting up for the deal, picking a public place is a safe bet. This is because in the worst case scenario when you need to ask for help or need a set of eyes to keep thieving minds away. Now in terms of payment, cash is still king, but e-wallets are becoming ever more popular and they can be a convenient payment option as well. But due to the convenience of e-wallets and cash forwarding, aka padala through sari-sari stores, sending an advance or down payment could be worrisome. If you do need to make a down payment though, make sure to verify the person you're sending the money to by calling their account or asking the bank if the account you're sending money to is up to suspicious activities. For the technical side of things, inspect the phone quite thoroughly for dents and scratches. A badly dented phone obviously indicates it isn't well taken care of. At the same time, it also adds point for negotiation if you still want to buy that phone. For software, on Android devices, use the drop-down menu shortcuts to quickly check its functionality. You can also use the Android diagnostics code #01# in the call dialer. For iPhones, ensure there's no active Apple ID and that features like True Tone and Face ID are functioning properly. This could indicate it's still using the original screen. If everything checks out, go ahead and make your purchase. You might find that last year's flagship phone, or later, give the best value. They can often be procured for significantly less than their original SRPs, while still having good performance. So that's about it for this quick video on buying a second-hand smartphone. We hope these tips and guidance serve you well. What about you guys? Do you have any other tips to avoid being scammed in second-hand markets? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, if you found this video helpful or informative, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. Also, do visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews, and follow us on our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok to stay updated with our latest content and announcements. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe when buying secondhand stuff out there, whether it's a phone, car, or whatever.